अभी कल ही ये किसको दिया है? अडानी हैज गिफ्टेड इट टू, इफ यू सी हियर,
Okay. Okay. King of Bhutan.
yeah, so
Okay.
इसमें this is so rare that only one family does this in India.
All right.
We have supplied 5,000 pieces of this.
But this is
a
one of
smart
the
bag.
most best seller offer right now.
So ये किसके लिए लैपटॉप्स भी आ सकते हैं?
Yeah, it's a complete backpack for
Right.
laptops and other things.
Other
accessories.
things. So what is the pricing? Can you just give me an
This
idea?
price-
ये क्या प्राइस रेंज होगी इन ट्रॉफीज की?
ये मतलब वेरी करता है। हमारे पास 25-30 रुपीज से पीस शुरू हो जाता है और लगभग
एक बार शेड का ही है, लिकर
Okay.
के आईटी का है
अच्छा लिखकर
और कारपेट गिफ्टिंग का।
तो ये क्या प्राइस होगा इनका?
2500 है,
ओके
2600,
सो इसमें आप 6 ग्लासेस दे रहे
6
हो
ग्लासेस और टूल्स है।
एंड ऑल टूल्स फॉर दी लिकर।
जो भी आइटम्स हैं ये सारे कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्ट्स के लिए हैं।
राइट
आपके दिवाली के गिफ्ट्स हैं
बिल्कुल।
या आपके वेडिंग के लिए गिफ्ट्स हैं। अब आप इनको देख सकते हो, आप कितने सुंदर सुंदर हैं।
बहुत सुंदर है। हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल जोड़ी ऑन कैमरा। आज हम आए गिफ्ट्स वर्ल्ड एक्सपो में और हमें यहाँ पे बहुत सारे गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शंस दिखने वाले हैं, सॉल्यूशंस दिखने वाले हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मीट द एग्जिबिटर्स, यू नो द वंस हु हैव पुट ऑन द स्टॉल, जिन्होंने अपने प्रोडक्ट्स डिस्प्ले पे लगाए हैं विच आर फॉर कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग। हमें जैसे कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग में कैलेंडर्स दिखते हैं और डायरीज दिखती हैं एंड you know the trophies which are given in the events. तो ये सब लेके customize करके देना, that's a huge industry and there are many people who are into this industry and they have their businesses here. ये एक्सपो लगा है आज से 25 से 27 जुलाई तक और आप आ सकते हो till 6 PM, 10 AM to 6 PM. So अंदर चल के एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या क्या गिफ्टिंग सॉल्यूशंस हैं and let's meet some people. So we'll try and cover as much as we can and we'll share their details also. आप उनके साथ connect कर सकते हो. So do watch the video till the end. Let's go. तो अब हम अंदर आ गए हैं और मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी सुंदर और डिफरेंट गिफ्ट आइटम्स दिख रही हैं. So let's go and ask them कि ये क्या क्या है और what kind of gifting variety do they have. Let's begin. तो अब हम आए अपने first stall पे and this is Trendec Elegance Redefined and I can see something beautiful, some beautiful pieces here. I can see some beautiful clocks and globes and some keychains, chess games, the wooden chessboard and more. So Mr. Salim will be the right person to tell us more about it. So hello.
Hello, hi.
All
My
what?
company name is HMI Manufacturing Company.
Okay.
Trendec is the brand owned by my company.
Okay.
That is why I have put Trendec over here.
Right.
And we are here in this business for 26 years.
Okay.
And primarily we are exporters.
All right.
It is only during last 4-5 years, mainly post-COVID rather,
Okay.
that we are focusing on pan-Indian market also, because after COVID the international market got disturbed and it is still disturbed because sometimes it is Ukraine war, sometimes it is Gaza, something,
true.
this thing or that thing. So now we are focusing and we are finding very huge response for our products.
Right.
Primarily these products were getting sold only in US,
Okay.
UK, across Europe, Canada, even China. I've been exporting to China also
Right.
and Australia. But now it is very good that it is appealing to the Indian crowd,
Right.
and gradually the share of Indian business
It's
in my
rising.
total business is growing,
Right.
which used to be 0 at one time. Now it may be around 15-8%, somewhere around there. So the way it is growing, I won't be surprised few years down the line if it reaches 50%.
Right.
And I would be very happy to if that happens.
True.
right?
True. And what's not good in expanding in the
Why
domestic
not?
market?
Why not?
True.
And we are specialized in nautical.
Okay.
And earlier our factory was based only in Roorkee,
In?
Uttarakhand.
Yeah.
Uttarakhand. And nautical is the hub of all brass nauticals manufactured in India. All brass nauticals exported from India, whether it's from my factory or any factory, are made in India, are made in Roorkee,
Okay.
right? And that is telescope and hourglasses and things like that, sextants and sundials. Now I've got a factory in Muradabad also. I merged the two factories.
Okay.
both things are combined in one unit in Moradabad. I got a permanent showroom in the Expo Mart for my export business because there are 2 fairs every year, and we keep on trying new things. For example, very recently, I have started marketing a new product, a clock with 225 years inbuilt calendar.
Okay.
I can show it to you
Yeah,
also. Sure. It is right.
Right. That's the calendar.
To 225 years.
Right.
Right? So it is like this. Now in next week, on 3rd of August, we are having a India hospitality exhibition in Greater Noida, India Expo Mart.
Okay.
And there I'm planning to introduce, everything goes fine, I'm planning to launch, global launch of a new clock with 1000 year calendar inbuilt in the clock.
Oh.
And side by side, an end table with a same theme.
Okay. Okay.
It's a end table, side table, a clock,
Right.
but it has got inbuilt a 1000 years calendar,
Calendar.
starting from 1583
Okay.
to 2582.
All
Because
right.
this current Gregorian calendar was recalibrated in October 1582. That is why I started from 1583.
80. Okay.
Right. So we do these things, then we make telescopes, binocs,
Okay.
compasses, and we make various kind of tables. Like for example, we make these Titanic
Wow.
tables.
Just look at this.
We make these kind of iconic pieces,
Okay.
clock with a
So
hourglass.
this is completely B2B?
This is, of course, recently we have started, that's why Trendec is there, because now we are doing B2C also. We are
Okay.
selling our product in Trendec brand name. Clock Kalana? Yeah. We are selling these products online also
Okay.
under the brand name Trendec.
Trending. Okay.
And this is coming with a unique feature. And the feature is, it is being sent with a gift wrap, I mean the ribbon,
Okay.
and with a card.
All right.
Like for example, if a person A wants to send a gift to B, so the A sends the money to us or to Amazon rather, and then the product is shipped to the B
Okay.
from clearly depicting that it has come from A to B,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And that can be for any occasion,
Right.
marriage anniversary, birthday, and whatever.
Right. Right.
So
right.
these are, we are doing it. This is in addition. Recently we have done it,
And
but
what portals are you listed on?
right now Amazon, Flipkart, Pepperfry.
All right. Perfect. So they
There,
have their
where
online
we are
presence.
active. There are other portals also. We are a US portal also, Amazon.
Okay,
But we are
okay.
not working on that.
All
Right now we are working only in India and
right.
just 3 portals.
3 portals. And what things are these?
These are basically flower vases. These are the telescopes.
Right. Right. Great. Can you
They-
just let me know the price, the idea of
Yeah, sure,
you know,
sure.
the price
For
range?
example, this product.
Yeah.
This is a 32 inches telescope, collapsible. Its MRP is 5,000.
Okay.
But for the, again, that remains a 5,000 thing. But for the B2B,
Yeah.
for the Indian sellers, we sell it at 50% discount.
Oh,
Straight away 2,000.
that's a good discount.
Right.
All right. So this, they have such
It
telescope.
opens further. It opens further. It opens further.
I am unable to see, I think.
Yeah. No, you have to focus it from here.
Yes.
Yeah. Any light. Now you see any light. Focus any light.
Okay.
And the light will come to you. See any light. Focus
Yes.
any light.
So let's have a look at these things also. This
You-
shelf
you-
has
you-
a lot of, beautiful
Yeah, now you see.
globes.
Binocular.
Okay, so the
can have
binoculars.
you can have a look from here.
Oh, yes. So I see it very clearly.
Very clear.
And they have these globes and some boxes to
These
keep-
are boxes.
yeah.
Jewelry
Two
boxes.
jewelry
these
boxes or
jewelry
chocolate boxes.
Yeah, and then there are globes there.
Right,
There's a world clock. 4
Yeah.
clocks are here.
right,
Then New York, Hong Kong, New Delhi, and London.
right, right. And then they have
And
beautiful
then antique telephone,
showpieces.
non-working.
Right. Of course.
Yeah. No, we
So
can-
they have some beautiful collection, and to connect with them, please can you just share your details? How
Yeah,
can-
sure. They can reach me through email on my mobile number 9971328811.
Yeah.
And my email is salim@hmiindia.in.
Great. So do connect with them for all your gifting needs and to take some beautiful things here that you can see. So अब हम आए AV Enterprises पे and I can see some beautiful corporate gifting ideas here. I can see the bottles, the keychains और ये पूरा package इन्होंने hamper बनाया हुआ है. So Miss Reena will explain us more about the company and the products that I see here. So आप बताएंगे क्या क्या है यहाँ?
मैम यहाँ पे है ये बार सेट है, पोर्टेबल बार सेट जो गिफ्टिंग आइटम है, और ये कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग है, जैसे डायरी, पेन, कीचेन का कॉम्बो सेट होता है।
ये वाला?
हाँ, ये लिकर की आइटम है।
अच्छा, ओके। तो ये सारा अपने कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग के लिए?
हाँ जी, ये कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग के लिए जो अपने बड़े बड़े कंपनियों को, क्लाइंटों को गिफ्ट करते हैं।
राइट। और क्या क्या है आपके पास?
और ये यही आइटम है मैम, मेरे काम बेसिक बार सेट का ही है, लिकर की आइटम का है।
अच्छा, लिकर
और कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग का।
तो ये क्या प्राइस होगा इनका?
प्राइस डिफरेंट है सारे आइटमों का।
मतलब थोड़ा एक आइडिया दे दीजिए।
ये 2500 है।
ओके।
2600।
सो इसमें आप 6 ग्लासेस दे रहे हो?
6 ग्लासेस ऑल टूल्स है।
एंड ऑल टूल्स फॉर दी लिकर। ओके।
1000।
ओह, दिस इज
ये वुडन डिकेंटर
शॉर्ट्स ग्लासेस है।
हाँ, शॉर्ट ग्लास है
डालने के लिए।
ये यहाँ से डालने का है,
राइट।
और आपके यहाँ से
पोर कर सकते हैं। ये कितने का होगा?
1000।
ओके। और
ये कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग, कार्ड होल्डर, पेन एंड किचन का कॉम्बो सेट है।
ओके। सो जो कंपनीज आपके साथ यू नो दे डील विद यू, तो उनको कुछ आप मिनिमम भी नंबर देते हैं?
मैम जो बार सेट है, बार सेट तो हम सिंगल पीस भी दे देते हैं। इसका कोई मोक नहीं है। और कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग है, इसका मिनिमम 10 पीसेस होनी चाहिए।
अच्छा, इसके 10 मतलब ये छोटे हो?
हाँ, छोटी आइटम है, इनके 10 पीसेस होने चाहिए।
ओके ओके। तो ये बड़े वाले कितने के होंगे?
प्राइस मेंशन है इसमें।
अच्छा, प्राइसेस 365। ओके। तो ये 365 के सेट में आप डायरी, पेन, कीचेन
एंड कार्ड होल्डर, एटीएम कार्ड होल्डर।
और ये पेन्स आप पर्सनलाइज भी कर लेते हैं?
हाँ जी, पर्सनलाइज हो जाएगा,
मतलब विद द कंपनी नेम?
हाँ जी, हो जाएगा।
ओके ओके।
ये एटीएम कार्ड होल्डर।
ओके। सो इनके पास काफ़ी अच्छी आइटम्स है with especially the bar sets, and then they have these corporate gifting items with diaries and pens, clocks, keychains, बहुत कुछ है। So आपके साथ कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकती है कंपनीज?
मेरे साथ आप कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर ले लीजिए, आप डायरेक्ट कॉल करके कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। 8595 495613।
ओके।
मेरा नाम रीना है, मेरी फर्म का नाम AV Enterprises है।
राइट। आप ईमेल आईडी भी होगा आपका?
हाँ जी, AV Enterprises 53@gmail.com।
Perfect. So do connect with them for all your corporate gifting needs. जहाँ पे आप beautiful bar sets देख सकते हैं, which are very different and unique here. So let's go ahead. So ये उनका brochure है. You can connect with them at the details mentioned here. So अब हम आए हैं Access Enterprises के आगे, और यहाँ पे I can see some beautiful teas which can be personalized for your corporate gifting. और भी बहुत कुछ है। सो इनसे पूछते हैं क्या क्या है आपके पास। हेलो।
सो
मिस्टर सुनील, आप बताएंगे क्या क्या है अबाउट
This is Access Enterprises since from 2006.
Okay.
We have a 44 type of machines, which is advanced in UV machines,
So
UV DTF
you're based
machines.
in,
Yeah, we
this-
are based in head office is in Ludhiana.
Okay, Ludhiana.
And this is the pan India company. I am from Bangalore. I am a dealer of the Karnataka.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah. And we have a advanced product which is we can do all advanced machineries which you can do printing on the movement in the 5 seconds also.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah, it is right now it's completely technology with UV printings.
All right.
Okay, you can print all the gifting varieties in some mugs, jugs, acrylic, all surface printing.
Okay.
You can see all these our products.
Okay.
Once if you show our products, then you come to know what is the new
So
technology.
what all do you print on? You have shirts and you print on?
We have a different kind of units, which is you can go to fabric subject. We have a t-shirt, fabric, everything printer.
Right.
And there is a few companies which they are doing a carpet business.
Okay.
For diaries, mugs, zippers, keychain. It's a gifting product.
Right.
We have that kind of UV machines also.
Okay.
You have we have a 44 printing technology. You can do A to Z complete one solution for printing.
Okay. So you know what all prints do you have here? Can you just show me some
Yeah,
things?
sure.
Around.
Yeah.
So these are the machines you use.
Yeah,
for printing.
these are the machines. And this is a ceramic.
Right.
It's a ceramic. See, you can see this
Yes.
all multicolor print
Right.
with the foiling one, and it's a glossy.
Okay.
This is ceramic. This is the first we are launching in India,
Alright.
which can be done the gold and silver foil content. It's a special new advanced thing. Okay, this is one.
So this is all for corporate gifting.
Yeah, you can convert in carpet gifting also.
All right.
And see, this is content of the toys.
Right.
This content of the toys means this is the car top layer.
Okay.
This is an uneven curve shape.
Yes.
We have a toys printing machine also. We are industry in toys also.
Alright.
We have a machines in toys industry also.
Right.
Which uneven surface can be printed on
Right.
any surface.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So this is the top of for a mouse.
Yeah. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
See, this is tiles.
Okay. So
This-
you print on tiles also.
Yeah, we print
And
on
the
the tiles.
print can be any corporate.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
You
okay.
can do anything.
Any corporate tile.
Anything.
Right. And then
And
They
see,
have these
this is
t-shirts
like
too?
this is like MDF.
okay.
Okay. This is also as printing.
All right. And then they have some beautiful tees.
And see,
Okay.
this is the T-shirt,
Okay.
which is dark base.
Huh.
Sublimation can be work. Sublimation bring one
Okay.
option. It is
Right.
print on only the white T-shirt, which is a polyester fabric.
Right.
Which is we have a right now technology which is DTF printing, direct transfer on the film.
On the film.
Okay,
All right.
that has to be print on any fabric colors. Doesn't matter what is fabric, what is the color. You will get same color in every shade.
In every. All right.
Yeah.
That's
You
nice.
can see all this kind of
You have different colors here.
different colors here,
And different textures
different textures also.
Right.
You can see this different categories.
too. Right. So, is there any minimum requirement that companies have to
No,
maintain?
actually we are supplier of the machines.
Acha,
We
you-
deals with machines. We
Okay,
don't
you
do
don't-
job.
All
Anyway,
right.
if you want any jobber, we can suggest you. Which is we have enough clients overall India.
Yeah, because you must be having
Yes,
clients
yes.
throughout India. So you're completely into machines
Yes,
and printing
yes,
machines.
yes.
Perfect. So they are into machines, and if you're into printing business, you can get this machine from them. And let's get to know their contact details. Can you just share your contact details here with
Yeah.
us?
This is Sunil from Bangalore. You take down my number
Yeah,
9980 9691
Right.
36 for Pan India.
Okay.
We have a Pan India dealers.
Right.
If you contact me, we'll suggest you wherever you want. We have a complete Pan India company, Indian dealers.
Right. Perfect. So you can get in touch with them for all your printing needs on maybe cups and ceramics or shirts and whatever surface you want to. So let's go ahead. So now we are here at Help Us Green, and this is a unique and different concept. They are from Kanpur, and what they do is they collect the garbage that's near temples in Kanpur and around Kanpur. They bring it to their unit and help make those, segregate the waste and make the flowers. Using the flowers, they make incense sticks. So that's a very, a noble way of transforming garbage into something useful. And what's the best part is they have these clients here. You can see Bikaner Wala, Dr. Reddy's, Blue Tokai Coffee, Gulab, Secret, Green Ply, and more. So let's connect with Miss Sanyukta, and she'll tell us more about Help Us Green. Yeah, so what is the company all about?
Company is all about, like I just told you. So we are growing now. We have created various hampers for Diwali. We also do Holi, Ganpati Visarjan, and Rakhi.
Okay.
And this year we'll be doing Christmas.
All right. So
We also-
incense sticks for all these festivals.
incense stick, and there are various gifting options.
Okay.
Around, depending on the festival.
Right.
So for Diwali, we are doing, since it is a Diwali expo, gift expo right now.
Right.
So there are various Diwali options that you have here.
Yeah, can you just show us around?
These are rangolis,
Achha, these are the
andarbars,
rangolis and others.
various diyas option.
Okay. So this has also been created using waste.
No, so these are all outsourced. These are from Khurja, ceramic ware. This
Okay.
is from Moradabad.
Okay.
So see, these are all cottage industries, So in turn, like they are helping us grow, and we are basically promoting their products and helping them reach to the mass.
Right.
And see, this is a very special product. This this is Ganesh ji, made from gobar.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this is again sustainable, of course, because on Ganpati we do Ganpati Visarjan.
Right.
So it is again eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly.
So when they'll do Visarjan, there'll be nothing inorganic and nothing chemical.
Polluting the environment.
Polluting the environment. And this is our Havan cup.
Okay.
It burns for around an hour.
And what are the prices of these hampers that you...
Prices are around like starting from 129 for incense sticks.
Okay.
Similar for dhoop cones. Dhoop sticks are for 140.
Okay.
We have various packing option also. You can see here, this is for the
And then you can customize them for the
companies. We do a lot of brand customization.
Okay.
You can see here. This is for Parrywear. This is for Taj. And this is for Fevicol.
Okay.
We do Dr. Reddy's also here. We've done lots. Pidilite also we have done. This is for Green Ply.
What is the minimum quantity anyone has to
people take one box also from us, from our website.
Okay.
And it goes up to like whatever the limit can be, 1 lakh, whatever.
Okay.
Because we are catering to B2C also.
Right. And you have online presence?
Online presence.
You have your own
Insta,
website? Okay. So you can connect with them for such purchases?
Yeah.
These are the details, and this is the brochure. And there are contact details here also. So you can connect with them at these details for all your purchases and get your name added here in the esteemed clients. So अब हम खड़े Ancient Impex के आगे और यहाँ पे बहुत चीज़ें दिख रही हैं. I can see some glasses and bottles and many more
dispensers.
Okay, dispensers. And ये सब they are very good for health because they're all made up of copper. और ये सारे corporate gifting में भी use होता है. So companies do get involved in gifting all such things. So यहाँ बहुत सुंदर मुझे bottles दिख रही हैं. तो hello. तो ये क्या है Ancient Impex all about?
Ancient Impex Private Limited is a manufacturing unit. हम लोग बेस्ड हैं गाजियाबाद से. और एक्सपोर्ट भी हम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. और हमारा जो मेन पर्पस होता है कि आप प्योर कॉपर मिले. लाइक हम लोग 100% प्योर कॉपर से बनाते हैं. और इसका जो भी प्रोसेस होता है केमिकल फ्री चीज़ें करके दे रहे हैं हम लोग. अपने बॉटल्स बना रहे हैं, गिलास बना रहे हैं, जग बना रहे हैं. और अभी रिसेंटली हमने कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग के लिए बहुत से आइटम, जैसे आप देख रहे हो अब ये जो भी आइटम्स हैं ये सारे कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्ट्स के लिए हैं. आपके दिवाली के गिफ्ट्स हैं या आपके वेडिंग के लिए गिफ्ट्स हैं. अब आप इनको देख सकते हो, आप कितने सुंदर हैं.
बहुत सुंदर है.
ठीक है. आगे अगर आप
ये कस्टमाइज भी हो सकते हैं.
ये कस्टमाइज हो जाएगा. आपका ब्रांडिंग आपको कम कर देंगे. ठीक है. आपका डब्बे भी इसके हिसाब से हम कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं.
कंपनी के हिसाब से
डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी क्वांटिटी.
राइट. तो कुछ मिनिमम क्वांटिटी है.
डेफिनेटली कस्टमाइजेशन के लिए हम कम से कम 500 पीस लेते हैं.
ओके.
ठीक है. और अगर आपके पास सिर्फ लोगोज वगैरह अगर बोतल पे कराने तो 100 पे भी कर देते हैं.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. वो कर देते हैं. ऊपर के सेगमेंट
क्या प्राइसेस होगा, कुछ आइडिया आप दे दीजिए.
अगर आप इनकी प्राइसिंग की बात करेंगे प्रोडक्ट की तो ये अराउंड 925 के एमओ की 100 पीस है. 925 का है ये सब. और ये उसी रेंज में, ये थोड़ा सा अपर सेगमेंट है. 1050 का है. ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं.
ये वाले सारे.
ये हाँ अलग अलग सेगमेंट्स हैं. ऐसे ये कुछ ये हैं आपके नेचुरल कलर में जो 1100 के रेंज में है. छोटी वाली बोतल 500 के रेंज में भी हमारे पास है.
अच्छा जी. और ये
डिस्पेंसर्स हैं. ये अलग अलग है. कुछ 3000 के भी हैं. लाइक सामने वाला काफी हमारा हॉट प्रोडक्ट है. ये 2600 का ये प्रोडक्ट है. ये लास्ट ईयर. हाँ ये स्टैंड है, गिलास है आपका 5 लीटर का, आपका 5.5 लीटर का प्रोडक्ट है.
और ये वाली ग्लासेस,
ये ग्लासेस का सेट आप देखिए. अब ये 400 का है. इस टाइप से.
So आपने Ancient Impex इसलिए रखा है बिकॉज़ इसको आपने एंशिएंट लुक दी है.
इसे पुराना है नहीं, कंपनी का नाम है और पुरानी चीजें हैं जो हम लोग क्योंकि ना हेल्थ पर्पस से हम लोग वापस आ रहे हैं ना उसी जगह पे. तो हम कॉपर में पानी पी रहे हैं, सारी चीजें दे रहे हैं. और आज के डेट में ट्रेडिंग बहुत है कॉपर का.
राइट.
कॉपर में पुरानी चीजों को लेते हुए अब नई चीजें जो हम कर रहे हैं, आप देख रहे हो कि नए डिजाइन जो हमने डाले हैं.
राइट.
अगर आप इन पे बात करोगे, अगर किसी को अपनी फोटोग्राफ्स ही आपको इस पे करवाना है, हम वो भी करके दे देंगे. उसकी फोटोग्राफ्स भी हम करके दे देंगे. कोई भी डिजाइन का होगा आप करके दे देंगे.
और ये क्या है? ये जग,
ये आपके वो हैं सारे के सारे जग हैं. ये रात को ना बैड साइड कैराफे बोलते हैं या वीनस पॉट बोलते हैं इन सबको. देखो ये कितने ये आपका यूज हो जाता है. गिलास की तरह आप यूज कर लो. ये है. और ये नए सारे सेगमेंट्स हैं जो आपको.
वाओ. और ये कितने का होगा?
ये आपका है 920 का.
वेरी नाइस. और इसको भी आप कस्टमाइज कर
ये कस्टमाइज हम कुछ भी कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
राइट
बट डिपेंड करता है कि आपके ऑर्डर्स कितने हैं।
राइट, सो गाइस दिस इज समथिंग वेरी नाइस। आप इस इंडस्ट्री में हो तो डू गेट इन टच विद देम फॉर सच कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग, और गिफ्ट करते हुए भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। ये जग्स एंड ग्लासेस का क्या है सेट?
ये जग और ये इनका जो प्राइसिंग है ये है 1190 का विद 2 ग्लासेस।
ओके, विद 2 ग्लासेस।
विद 2 ग्लासेस और 1 जग।
ओके, सो ये भी बहुत अच्छा है। ये 1065 का विद दिस एंड ग्लासेस। और ये हैवी भी नहीं है, दे वेरी लाइट।
डेफिनेटली नहीं, आपको हैवी में चाहिए जैसे ये आपके हैवी हैं, ये हैवी में ग्लासेस
अच्छा
काफी है।
ये थोड़े हैं हैवी, तो ये बहुत अच्छे हैं। एंड इन केस यू विश टू कनेक्ट विद देम फॉर ऑल दीज परचेजेस, तो पहले ही अपनी डिटेल्स ले आए हैं
क्योंकि मार्केटिंग करना, मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ सेल्स के लिए बैठा हूँ, डेफिनेटली तो आपको वो तो दिखाना जरूरी है।
चलिए, मैंने अभी पूछा भी नहीं और ये खुद ही ले आए, तो आप इनके साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ही इज चंद्र प्रकाश, is the director, and they've shared the number and the email ID, the website too. And some ancient चीजों के लिए आप do connect with them for your corporate gifting. So बहुत सुंदर चीजें हैं यहाँ पे. You can just look at them around. आगे चलते हैं. So अब हम आए हैं हाथ का बना स्टॉल पे, and from the name itself you can guess that it has things which are made with hand. And I can read some handmade and women empowerment, sustainable and eco-friendly, and 4,000 plus products here. So यहाँ बहुत कुछ दिख रहा है, from ties to bags to some beautiful showpieces, mugs, and candle stands and all. So Miss Smita will tell us more about the company and the products here.
Hi, namaste. Basically, we are Haath Ka Bana. We work with artisans across India.
Okay.
So we almost have a network of around 8,500 families of artisans.
Wow.
And how we work with them is with one objective, and that is to preserve art and promote art and the artisans who are the custodians of the culture of India,
right.
the identity of India. So what you see here behind me is a lovely wall that will have, you can find art forms from north to south.
Okay.
Like we have Tanjore here.
All right.
So this comes from Tamil Nadu, and this is pure gold, and it is done on a wooden base.
Okay.
So the artisan, it is quite intricate. Like all of these are handmade, and people have forgotten these art forms, and basically these are traditional arts.
Right.
So these used to run in families. So the son will learn it from his father, and the daughters will learn from mothers.
Right.
So now, people have kind of, in the gifting market, handicraft is still finding its position.
Right.
So our idea is to position handicraft as a standardized, much acceptable, presentable, affordable, and dependable.
Right.
Yes, we can look at handicraft as a gifting proposition,
right.
and that's what Haath Ka Bana does.
All right.
That is the effort. So
That's
we
great.
have artworks, a collection of artworks.
Yeah.
Then we have handloom section.
Okay.
So we work with the karigars of Banaras, we work with the karigars of Gujarat,
Wow.
we work with, so here you see, this is Ajrak. So this is just a representation of what we can do. The kapda can also come into stationery.
Right.
And this is one of the most popular products in corporate gifting. Like, people generally want to have a huge, beautiful setup desktop,
Right.
beautifully
On their
decorated
work
on their work table. So this goes really well in our affordable category.
Okay.
And we have some diaries and all of that.
All right.
If you
Okay. So these are the diaries.
Diaries. Yes.
Yeah, they all really look. They give that Haath Ka Bana look actually.
So there is something really unique, and every piece has a story.
Yeah, true.
So, and there is a lot of emotion. So it makes the gift more meaningful. So
Right.
ultimately, you're not just taking the product and passing it on.
Right.
So generally, what happens? One of the biggest challenge that the gifting industry has is ki a product is taken, a gift is received, and if the person will not like it, it will be passed on.
Right.
But with the art, with the handloom, with the kind of packaging that we have,
People associate.
people will want to keep it.
Right, right. So you customize all these?
Yes, we customize in sizes. We customize in, you know, even if it is like brand colors.
Right.
So a lot of clients of ours, they have said कि अरे कपड़े में हम क्या करेंगे? हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. Think, bring your brand palette to us.
Right.
We'll get the
things customized.
Yes, woven for you.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so can you just give me an idea about the pricing here?
Pricing, so basically because it is all customized,
right?
It can start from a very small item to, so the pricing can vary from 100 rupees. So we have a range of products from 100 rupees up till sky's the limit.
Okay, all right. All right. And what is the minimum order quantity that a person has to place?
So we do not have any minimum order quantity per se, because since it is Hath Ka Bana, it is handmade, we can order smaller
so
orders as well.
It's a B2C also?
No, it is not B2C.
Okay.
It is not B2C. Because it is Hath Ka Bana, hear me out again.
Okay.
It's not machine made.
Yeah.
So I can process smaller orders too.
Right.
So it's not like I do not have to run a machine entire. So one person is sitting and doing that job. So if I get larger orders, like we've processed large quantities, 5,000, 10,000 quantities in Diwali.
Right.
So we bring in more artisans together. And that's how the livelihood, the impact that we want to create is, you know, is getting
that way.
Perfect. More people are getting engaged. Like, to give you an example, this is one of the rarest forms of art. Abhi kal ye kisko diya hai? Adani has gifted it to, if you see here.
Okay.
King of Bhutan.
Okay, King of Bhutan.
Yeah, so isme this is so rare that only one family does this in India.
All right.
We have supplied 5,000 pieces of this.
Oh,
but how did we do it?
Yeah.
हम लोग ऐसे तो depend नहीं कर सकते, and it is time bound. Nobody can wait for ढाई महीना.
Right.
So especially for this particular order, we trained girls, and they got income out of that. They got trained, so they got skilled.
Right.
And that's how the order was fulfilled.
Right.
So yeah, so we are a social enterprise, and we feel really happy that it's not just for the sake of
earning money.
Yeah, it is really creating an impact.
Right, right. Yeah. So this is very nice, and they truly are creating an impact, and you know, while earning the money also. And this is something actually what we associate with, you know, in a positive way. And you can connect with them for all your purchasing needs at this detail. And here's this number, and the email ID is there, and the address is there. So Hath Ka Bana for all the handmade craft. So अब हम आए eShop Ventures पे, and they deal in leather bags and corporate gifting products. तो आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो, there are these bags and some card holders and keychains and other things. So Mr. Harshit will tell us more about the firm and the products. So,
hello ma'am.
Hi.
So eShop Venture, we are based out of Jhandewala, Delhi, in a flatted factory complex.
Okay.
So we deal into corporate gifting products and leather bags.
Okay.
These are like hotel key rings. These are made in like SS304.
Achha.
And we have different card holders, gift sets, and keychains. These are our leather bags.
Okay.
We deal in genuine leather products at the best market price. So these are like leather laptop bags.
Okay.
Of the best quality.
Alright.
And
तो ये आप customize भी कर लेते हो?
Yes ma'am, we customize them according to the customer's demand.
Right.
These are our backpacks.
All right.
So this is a complete range of backpacks.
Can you just show me?
Yeah,
that?
yeah, sure.
Wow.
So this is complete a pure leather product.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah, actually it's completely filled with.
Achha, this is
yeah,
filled.
that's why.
So
but this is one of the most best seller of our right now.
So ये किसके लिए laptops भी आ सकते हैं?
Yeah, it's a complete backpack for laptops and other things.
Other things. So what is the pricing? Can you just give me an
this
idea?
Price is this price costs around 3,000 rupees.
Okay.
In market, if you buy from some other supplier, they will charge around 7,000 for this product.
Oh.
but for the same product.
All right.
But we believe in providing the quality as well as the competitiveness to the customer.
Right.
So that we charge such prices.
Right. Right.
This is one of our duffel bag.
Oh, that's
so
beautiful.
we have like there is a space for shoes also.
Oh.
Normally, I have seen people who travel, they face issues with placing their shoes in. So there is a separate space for the shoes.
Wow. Really useful, man.
This is a genuine leather product.
Right. And how much is this for?
This costs around 3,500 rupees.
Okay. Great.
Kindly come here.
Yeah, sure.
We have different sling bags also in leather. Ma'am, you can check this product.
Right.
This is one of the wholesome product which I have designed myself.
Oh, great. So this is a very smart sling bag and a very cool one. Iska kya price hai?
Ma'am, this costs around 2,000 rupees.
2,000. Okay.
Yeah.
So they're all leather products.
This is in buff leather.
Okay.
So yeah, this is complete range of sling bags. These are our wallets.
The wallets.
Pure leather wallets.
Okay.
You can check out. This is known as trifold. These are our card holders.
All right.
These are the
काफी
products.
कुछ है, pockets भी अच्छी
Yeah.
है, and this is spacious.
This is a pure leather product which you won't find like in common market.
So ये इनका क्या pricing होगा?
These cost around like 350 rupees.
350.
Like if you go in a market in a like fox leather or vegan leather, you will find products in 500 rupees.
Right.
But this is a genuine leather which in market costs around like 1,000 rupees, but I can give you at 350 rupees.
350.
Yeah,
okay. So what is the minimum order quantity if a person actually deals in
Minimum
this
order
corporate?
quantity for these are 30 pieces.
30.
Yeah.
Okay.
So prices can be adjusted accordingly.
Okay.
You have to, but a minimum order quantity is 30 pieces.
30 for any product that.
For any product.
All right.
These are our. I'll show you one more product which you will definitely like. Yeah. These are our watch boxes.
Which boxes?
Watch boxes.
Achha, the watch
This is
boxes.
like for
Okay.
4 slot.
Oh, very nice.
This is a massive 12 slot watch box.
Okay.
Like for all the watch lovers,
Right.
they can have this for protecting their watches and see the look.
For the collection. Very
Yeah.
beautiful. Very beautiful. Right. And how much is this pricing?
This is around 500 rupees and this one is around 350 rupees.
Okay.
So we are all the products are cost effective.
Right.
So and the best quality. So yeah, this is all Isha Venture.
So this is very beautiful. They have all beautiful and genuine leather products. You can get the duffel bags, which has that shoe space. That's a new thing. And they have these beautiful backpacks and gift hampers for corporate gifting. तो आप इनके साथ connect कर सकते हैं. Can you just share your details?
Yeah, sure. We are based out in Jhandewala.
Okay.
This is my visiting card.
Okay. So Mr. Harshad, आप देख सकते हो. He has shared his email ID and the phone number. So do connect with them for all your purchases and to expand your business and for corporate gifting too. So Mr. Harshad को आप connect कर सकते थे, जिनकी details मैंने अभी दूसरे कार्ड पे share करी थी for all the leather products, and for corporate gifting you can connect with the eShop Venture at these numbers, and this is the email ID. So do note them down and connect with them. So अब हम आए अपने next hall पर, and that's ESS Handicrafts. So corporate gifting के साथ साथ वहाँ पे sport days भी होते हैं, and sport events भी organize होते हैं companies में and in other firms. तो जहाँ पे trophies मिलते हैं, so just look at these. So corporate gifting के साथ साथ ये भी gift किए जाते हैं, और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी सुंदर मुझे trophies दिख रही हैं, सब gold से भरा हुआ, gold and silver plates. So Mr. Bhavani.
Yeah, hi.
Mr. Bhavani Prasad will tell us more about the firm. Haji.
Yeah, we are based from Hyderabad. Our
Okay.
firm is from ESS Handicrafts.
Right.
And we are the third generation into this business.
Okay.
And we deal all kind of spares, catalog, trophy, like metal products.
Right.
And crystal items.
Perfect.
And wooden products and everything we deal. We deal in spares and as well as fitted also, complete products.
Okay.
So this is our range.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So इनकी price range क्या होगी from?
The starting price is like 30-35 रुपीस से रेंज से लेके 5-6 हज़ार तक रेंज के प्रोडक्ट्स से अपने पास है.
Okay, okay. So ये सारे आपने अलग-अलग बना के रखे हैं for different sports also.
Yes. So you can also say like ESS Handicrafts is only one company from South India, which
Okay.
will be supplying to the North India and other parts of India.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
So like we all supply to the all wholesalers in the market.
अच्छा, okay, and then they do.
Who are the big players in the market? We are supplying to them.
Okay, so आप customize करके नहीं देते हो?
No, we don't customize.
Right. You give it in the bulk and then they customize for their customers.
Yes.
All right. So काफी कुछ है यहाँ पे और आपको products दिखाती हूँ मैं इधर इनकी trophies. So these are the plates for different events or some different corporate events. तो यहाँ पे ये भी हैं और बड़ी plates भी हैं, छोटी भी हैं, and then they have these cups. Okay, यहाँ पे ऐसे cups भी हैं.
So these are the new range for this year.
Okay.
Because people are like tired of the full gold and everything.
Gold, right.
So we are bringing the old times to the new trend.
Okay, the brass.
Yeah, the like antique look style.
Right,
Yeah.
Antique style. So यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी और चीज़ें हैं. So you can have a look here, and in case आपको आपकी कंपनी को भी ऐसे कप्स और मेडल्स एंड ट्रॉफीज के लिए कनेक्ट करना है इनके साथ. So Mr. Bhavani, आप अपनी डिटेल्स देंगे हमारी ऑडियंस को?
Yeah, my name is Bhavani Prasad. I am from ESS Handicrafts. We are from Hyderabad, based from Secunderabad. So we supply pan India.
Right.
Yeah, and we deal in everything like this, all products, whichever you are seeing here.
Right.
Like in bulk quantity or minimum quantity, whatever the quantity is there.
What is the minimum order quantity?
No, nothing like that. We are happy to serve you one piece also.
All right.
Yeah. So there are many customers. We have a range like people from Delhi, the corporate gifting,
right,
the event organizers.
Yes.
So they also come to us.
Right.
So few people request us to customize, like do branding and everything. We also do that also.
अच्छा, you do that?
We do that also.
Okay. So वो करके भी आप उसका करके आप कंपनीज को देते थे. Right. तो उसका भी कोई मिनिमम ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी नहीं है. ओके, तो अगर आपके साथ लोगों ने कनेक्ट करना है, वो आप अपना नंबर, अपनी डिटेल्स शेयर कर दीजिए.
Yeah, my number is 7799443341. And we have a showroom at MG Road, Secunderabad, Telangana state.
All right.
And we also have a retail showroom in our main city. Our major clients are like Bharat Biotech.
Okay.
And Mylan Laboratories, Reddy Laboratories.
Right.
So all the corporate industry, all the financial sector, everything we did.
Okay. Yeah. So ये क्या चीजें हैं, आप बताएंगे?
ये चीज actually these are like photo frames, but we have used in our Mementos industry.
अच्छा.
So we paste them on a wooden plate. And customer required any like anything of printing on everything, we customize the printing here. And we paste it on that.
Achha.
So if you want the live piece, I can show you. It's over there.
Yeah, please show.
These are the pieces which have used those frames here.
अच्छा, you've used those frames here.
Yes.
To decorate these wooden pieces.
Yes.
Okay. और इसी के अंदर कोई
picture? वो customize जो भी picture है, बस.
All right. Okay, so ऐसे इन्होंने किया है और काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, काफ़ी अच्छी trophies हैं. So you can connect with Mr. Bhavani at the details he shared for all your corporate gifting needs. So अभी trophies देखी, अब और trophies देखते हैं और यहाँ पे हम खड़े हैं एक जो trophies के आगे. Okay, एक जो trophies deal in trophies also and the printing also. So they customize it according to the brands and firms' needs. And पूछते हैं इनसे और क्या क्या है and what they deal in. So सत श्री अकाल.
जी, सत श्री अकाल जी.
So what is एकजोत trophies all about?
जी, सबसे पहले तो मेरा नाम इंद्रजीत है और हमारी फर्म का नाम एकजोत ट्रॉफीज है. और हम एक और हमारी फर्म है, उसका नाम है इंडिया टेक्नो सॉल्यूशंस. एकजोत ट्रॉफीज में हम ट्रॉफीज की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, वुडन का सारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन हाउस है हमारे पास, फाइबर्स का हम इंपोर्ट भी करते हैं, कप्स और ट्रॉफीज सारी. और यहाँ इस एग्जीबिशन में हम B2B के लिए आए हैं, है ना. बिजनेस, सिर्फ बिजनेस ओनर्स को, हम शॉप ओनर्स को ही हम ये ट्रॉफी सप्लाईज करने आए हैं, है ना. और हमारा इसके साथ साथ इंडिया टेक्नो सॉल्यूशन एक और फर्म है, उसमें हम लेजर मशीन्स का काम कर रहे हैं. CO2 लेजर मशीन्स हम खुद की मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं और उनको बना रहे हैं और सेल आउट कर रहे हैं लुधियाना बेस्ड हमारी कंपनी है। और ये हमारी CO2 लेजर मशीन हमने डिस्प्ले पे लगा रखी है।
तो ये सब प्रिंट कर देती है उनपे?
या ये प्रिंटिंग भी कर सकती है, ये कटिंग भी कर सकती है।
अच्छा।
हाँ, और नॉन मेटल सब कुछ। अच्छा। जैसे MDF, एक्रेलिक, लेदर्स का काम होता है, साइन बोर्ड्स,
बिल्कुल,
और सारी चीजों पे इसको पहले कटिंग भी कर सकते हो आप, इंग्रेविंग के पर्पज से भी काम ले सकते हो इससे। ये देखिए अभी ये हमने मशीन वर्किंग में रखी है, ये कटिंग कर रही है मशीन। और इसके बाद हम इंग्रेविंग की भी एक कमांड देंगे इसको। तो ये इंग्रेविंग शुरू हो गई मशीन के साथ। इस पे आप कुछ भी नाम वगैरह या ट्रॉफीज के ऊपर भी प्रिंटिंग और भी कई पर्पस है इसके। ये आप बहुत बड़ी लाइन है, अगर ये मशीन आप अपने पास इन हाउस लगाते हैं लोग, तो इससे बहुत सारी और लाइंस खुल जाती हैं आपके पास। गिफ्टिंग, कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग की लाइंस, है ना।
तो ये कितने की है दिस मशीन?
ये मशीन हमने एग्जीबिशन प्राइस इसका 2,50,000 रखा है जी। 2x3 की मशीन है हमारी, ये 80 वॉट ट्यूब के साथ है। और अभी एग्जीबिशन प्राइस के लिए हमने 2,50,000 इसका प्राइस रखा है प्लस GST। और इसके साथ साथ हमारा ट्रॉफीज का प्रोजेक्ट आप दे सकते हो। ये सारे हम खुद की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं, ये सारे हम खुद असेंबल करते हैं वहाँ पे। और ये लगभग 4-4 फुट के कप्स हैं। हमारे पास लेजर वुडन की आइटम्स हैं, जो लेजर मशीन्स तो हमारे इन हाउस होती हैं, तो हम साथ में कटिंग करके ट्रॉफीज भी क्रिएट करते हैं उससे। और फाइबर में हमारे पास काफी आइटम्स हैं।
ये क्या प्राइस रेंज होगी इन ट्रॉफीज की?
ये मतलब वेरी करता है। हमारे पास 25-30 रुपीज से पीस शुरू हो जाता है, और लगभग 2,500-3 हजार रुपए तक के पीसेस हैं हमारे पास। बहुत डिफरेंट प्राइजेस हैं, है ना। हम B2C भी करते हैं, डायरेक्ट कस्टमर को भी सेल आउट करते हैं पीसेस। और आप आइए, चीजों को देखिए। हमारे पास हमारा गिफ्ट एक्सपो में स्टॉल लगा हुआ है, हॉल नंबर 2 में A24 नंबर स्टॉल है हमारा। और जरूर हमें विजिट कीजिए और जरूर आके देखिए, हमारे पास काफी आइटम्स हैं।
राइट। सो दे रियली हैव सम ब्यूटीफुल ट्रॉफीज आउट हियर। यू कैन कम एंड चेक दैट आउट। कस्टमाइज करा सकते हो आप अपनी फर्म के लिए, एंड प्राइसिंग भी सेट इन से करवा सकते हो। एंड फॉर ऑल द प्रिंटिंग नीड्स यू कैन गेट देम प्रिंटेड फ्रॉम हियर, और यू कैन बाय योर ओन प्रिंटिंग मशीन अगर आप इस बिजनेस में हो। सो आप अपनी डिटेल्स शेयर करेंगे मिस्टर इंद्र जी?
जी, हम लुधियाना से आते हैं जी, और वहीं पे हमारा सारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट लगा हुआ है। और कांटेक्ट नंबर अगर आप मेरा लेना चाहो तो 8528516463 मेरा कांटेक्ट डिटेल्स है। और आप आइए, और भी आपको यहाँ पे दिखाएंगे चीजें जो हम बना रहे हैं, सारी चीजें एक वीडियो में।
मिनिमम ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी तो नहीं है?
कोई मिनिमम ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी नहीं है हमारे पास। हम सैंपलिंग से शुरू करते हैं, पहले सैंपल्स भी भेजते हैं कस्टमर्स को, फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंगली जो उनके पास ऑर्डर्स आते हैं हम बल्क ऑर्डर्स भी फिर कंप्लीट करते हैं उसमें।
परफेक्ट। सो गाइस, दिस वाज वर्ल्ड गिफ्ट्स एक्सपो जो लगा हुआ है 27 जुलाई तक। हमने अंदर काफ़ी सारे स्टॉल्स कवर करे, आपको सब कुछ दिखाया, हमें खुद भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, आपको भी बहुत कुछ दिखा होगा। सो वी कवर्ड द ट्रॉफीज, वी कवर्ड डायरीज, वी कवर्ड बैग्स, और भी बहुत कुछ। तो सब कुछ कस्टमाइज करा के आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को दे सकते हैं। देयर वर मेनी वेंडर्स जो सीधा customers को भी देते हैं। There are many who give to businesses and other vendors also, other businesses also. So you can connect with them. या अगर आप इस इंडस्ट्री में हो और you want to expand your business in this industry, you should come here and definitely meet people. हमने भी जितने stalls cover करे हैं सबके contact details share करें, connect with them. Do let us know how you found the video, and we'll meet you soon with new content. And till then, take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.